Today I'll show you how to crochet the oval shape. There are a few different ways to do it, but you always start by making some chains and then crochet around the chains. The first round after the chains is a bit tricky, so that's what I'm going to show you. I'll start by making 5 chains. The pattern might tell you a different number. And then I'll just pause the video to show you where to make your first round. The arrows show you where to put your stitches. It's not always the case, but you're often making single stitches in the black arrows and multiple stitches in the red arrows. So we had 3 black arrows, so let's make a single crochet in the first 3 stitches. If your starting chain is longer, you're just making more single crochets to reach the last stitch. And in the last stitch, we're making 3 single crochets. Again, it can be different depending on the pattern. And that was the upper part of the chains. Now turn the piece and crochet the lower part. You're not crocheting in the first stitch in this side, like the arrow showed you earlier. So you're going to the next stitch. And we're making 2 single crochet. This can be more or less depending on what the pattern tells you. But we had 2 arrows. And now we've reached the final stitch. Here we're making an increase. It's a good idea to mark the first stitch when starting the first round, so you can see where the round ends. And that's how you make an oval shape. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials and free patterns.